Now news headline. No compromise on Manipur's territorial integrity, Saha to Naga MLAs. CBI to prove if violence in Manipur was pre-planned. Now news in details. Imphal, there would be no compromise on Manipur's territorial integrity, Union Minister Amit Shah has said. The assurance was given to 10 Naga MLAs when the Manipur legislators called on the Union Minister at his residence in Delhi, sources said. The 10 legislators, 1 independent, 2 from Konrad Sangma LED NPP, 2 from BJP and 5 from Naga People's Front, including Transport Minister in the Biren Singh's government, Kasim Basum, Laisio Kaising, Awangbu Nimai, Ram Muiva and Losi Dikho met Shah on Wednesday evening. During their meeting with the Union Minister, although very short, they highlighted the current violent atmosphere in the state. They also reportedly informed the minister that Churachandpur is the only Kuki-dominated area in Manipur and the Kukis cannot in any circumstances encroach on their territory when asked for a separate administration. Following this, the Union Minister told them that there will be no compromise on the state's territorial integrity. Sources said Amit Shah had no time to meet the Naga legislators when he was in Imphal last week. However, he told them to meet him in New Delhi on June 6, and that is why they were at the national capital. The Manipur legislators reportedly informed the minister that if a solution is being brought by the center, it should not be for one community alone but for the entire region. A solution for just one community is meaningless as it will not solve anything. The center should strike a balance. CBI to prove if violence in Manipur was pre-planned. The Manipur government on Thursday recommended 6 cases to the center for an investigation by the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI). The list includes a common conspiracy case to investigate whether the ethnic violence was pre-planned. As on June 3, as many as 3,734 false information reports (FIR) were registered in Manipur. The ethnic violence between the Kuki and Meitei communities has claimed more than 100 lives since May 3. The largest number of cases, 1,257, was registered in Imphal West District, followed by Kangpokpi 932 and Bishnupur 844, according to information provided by the Chief Minister's office. A senior government official said that the Union Home Minister had written to the Department of Personnel and Training (DOPT) seeking a CBI inquiry. The department has forwarded the request to the CBI and the agency will be notifying the cases soon, said the official. A Naga breeze. On Wednesday, Union Home Minister Amit Shah met 10 Naga legislators from Manipur. It was decided that they would act as a bridge between the Kuki and Meitei communities who have been embroiled in ethnic violence. Speaking on condition of anonymity, one of the Naga legislators said, in the meeting with the Home Minister, several measures for peace and normalcy were discussed. Naga MLAs were told to act as a bridge between the Kuki and Meiteis and help bring peace to the state. The Manipur Assembly has 60 seats with 40 MLAs from the Meitei community, 10 from the Kuki tribes and 10 from the Naga communities, while the Kuki, including those from the BJP, have demanded a separate administration. The Naga have distanced themselves from their demand. The 6 hill districts where no curfew has been imposed are mostly Naga-dominated areas. Peace for 48 hours. Kuldip Singh, security advisor to the Manipur government, said on Thursday that the situation in Manipur had remained peaceful and under control, with no violence reported in the past 48 hours. He said 28 more arms had been recovered since Wednesday. Further, joint teams of state and central forces have intensified combing operations. The Home Ministry sanctioned a rehabilitation package of rupees 101.75 crore for the violence-hit state. State selects 6 cases for CBI to investigate. Out of 3,734 FIRs, Home Minister Amit Shah asked Naga MLAs to help bridge Meitei Kuki divide. MHA approved rupees 101.75 crore for those displaced in violence.